Good morning, everybody. I want to take a moment here and kind of give a highlight of how the battery system has been performing over pretty much overnight from yesterday. Currently, just after 8:30 this morning on Wednesday, the 26th, we are still in running mode. The system is still in auto operation. The trending graph here, we're still tracking along here just fine, and system is working hard to maintain peak demand. A little bit of rise and fall here with the demand, a few kW, which is typical, very expected for this system. I wanted to take a moment and actually show you the performance over a 7-hour period in the middle of the night here. Now, I'll zoom in here. I'll try and make this a little more legible. And I will scroll back a little bit here and get us into this range here. So this is about 2 in the morning here, the left side edge here, now that I'm zoomed in. The red is what we're buying and selling or consuming from the utility. I'll move my cursor over here and we'll just take a quick look at that, and 88 kW where that cursor is, so just a touch under the 90 kW set point. The building load is the blue line, and that's hovering right around the 56, and at this point in time where the cursor is, and we expected the building load to decrease in the nighttime hours. The black line below is in the negative, so that is actually the kW we are charging the battery at. So we're able to charge the battery in the nighttime while still not exceeding our 90 kW set point here. Right around, I'm gonna say maybe, 2 in the morning here or so, the battery reaches a full state of charge and we stop sending a command to charge the battery. So the battery is in kind of like a standby state at a full state of charge here, because we're not charging or discharging into the battery. The consumption from the utility decreases because we're not using energy to charge the battery here, and that continues throughout the morning till the early morning hours, maybe around 4:30ish, maybe 5 in the morning or something here. Not exactly sure there, but you see the building load starts to pick up in the blue there, and the building load right here does exceed the 90 kW, but our utility demand here is at 85, and we're just slowly starting to discharge the battery here. Right now only 4 kW where the cursor lies. So I'm going to zoom back out here so everyone can see this a little better, and we'll bring this back into a more wider view of the status of the overall system. So just to recap, our peak demand, 90 kW here in red, what we're buying from the utility. State of charge drops to 0 here, and then we're starting to, our state of charge is 100%, and we're charging at 0, and we're not discharging in this area. And in the morning, building load, as building load is increasing in the blue, we're still able to maintain our peak demand from the utility in that 90 kW averaging here while discharging the battery. Hope this is a clear explanation and a good graphical representation of the system performance. I'm going to move this time scale out and shorten the window so we can get down to a 15-minute window here and where we are at currently. So the left edge here is at measuring at let me see here. I'm actually an hour off here. And we'll bump that up to the current time. So we're now at the current time here on the right side edge, and we're looking at a 15-minute average here. And again, just the system is tracking along just fine where our cursor is. I'm actually going to pause that. So where our cursor is, our utility demand is spot on at 90 kW. The building load is at 106 kW, and we're discharging at 15 kW. So the system is performing as expected here with managing that peak demand from the utility. Go back into play mode here, return to our home screen, and that's all I have for you guys. Thanks for watching.